Hello and welcome to today's interior design tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to transform a black dining room into a chic and elegant space using a carefully selected set of components. Whether you're starting from scratch or giving your existing dining room a makeover, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Before we begin, make sure you've cleared out your dining room space and prep the walls by cleaning and patching any imperfections. It's always a good idea to start with a clean slate. Our first step is painting the walls. We're going with a deep, matte black for that dramatic effect. Don't forget to protect your floors and baseboards. Start with the ceiling and work your way down for a clean finish. To add texture and elegance, we're installing crown molding along the ceiling and wainscoting along the lower half of the walls. These architectural elements bring a touch of sophistication to our black canvas. Let's talk about flooring. We've chosen dark hardwood floors to contrast with the black walls. They add warmth and richness to the room. Now, let's focus on the windows. Black framed windows make a bold statement. Hang some deep, luxurious curtains or drapes to soften the look and provide privacy. Lighting is key in any dining room. Our stunning black chandelier is the centerpiece here, creating a focal point that draws the eye. We're also adding wall sconces for ambient lighting. Time to set up the dining area. Our black dining table takes center stage, surrounded by sleek dining chairs that offer both comfort and style. Make sure to measure and arrange them for the perfect fit. Let's add some finishing touches. A large black framed mirror not only adds depth but also reflects light beautifully. On the sideboard or buffet, we've placed some decorative items and artwork. To anchor the dining area, we've added a black rug. It defines the space and adds texture. Don't forget the little details like black light switch covers and cabinet hardware that tie the room together. And there you have it, a beautifully designed black dining room that's both elegant and inviting. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Remember, with the right components and a little creativity, you can transform any space into a masterpiece. Thanks for watching, and happy decorating!